Do you ever feel like you're playing a never-ending game of Jenga with your service appointments, trying to stack technicians and jobs without the whole thing toppling over? It's a common challenge, right? Especially when you're dealing with last-minute changes, urgent calls, and the constant dance of balancing technician skill sets with job requirements. It's not just about getting a tech to a job. It's about getting the right tech to the right job at the right time, ensuring efficiency, customer satisfaction, and ultimately your bottom line. Think about it. How much time do you spend each day manually figuring out who's available, who's qualified for a specific task, and who's geographically closest to the next urgent call? And what happens when a tech calls in sick or a job runs over schedule? Does it throw your entire day into chaos? These are the real-world headaches that plague service businesses, big and small. The truth is, inefficient technician assignment can lead to missed appointments, frustrated customers, burnt-out employees, and significant revenue loss. It's a silent drain on your resources, often masked by the sheer volume of daily operations. But what if there was a way to streamline this entire process, to transform that chaotic Jenga game into a smooth, well-oiled machine? What if you could see your entire team's availability, their skill sets, and their current locations at a glance, allowing you to make informed decisions in seconds, not minutes or hours? Imagine the peace of mind knowing that every job is assigned to the best possible technician, optimizing routes, minimizing travel time, and maximizing productivity. That's where ServiceTitan comes in, and specifically its powerful tools for technician assignment. This isn't just about drag and drop. It's about intelligent scheduling that empowers you to take control of your dispatching, elevate your service delivery, and ultimately, grow your business. Today, we're going to dive deep into the heart of ServiceTitan's technician assignment features. We'll explore the various methods available to you, from the straightforward drag and drop to more advanced functionalities, giving you the knowledge and confidence to master your dispatching process. Let's start with the basics. Drag and drop on the dispatch board. This is probably the most intuitive way to assign a technician in ServiceTitan, and it's fantastic for quick adjustments and visual scheduling. When you're on the dispatch board, you'll see your unassigned jobs listed clearly. On the other side, you have your technicians, their current status, and their schedules. To assign a job, simply click and hold the job on the left, drag it over to the desired technicians column, and release. It's that simple. ServiceTitan will then prompt you to confirm the assignment. This method is incredibly useful for dispatchers who like to have a visual overview of their day and make quick, on-the-fly decisions. It's perfect for those moments when you need to reassign a job due to an unexpected delay or a sudden technician availability. Next up, let's talk about assigning from the job details page. This method is particularly useful when you're already focused on a specific job and need to assign a technician without navigating back to the main dispatch board. From any job page, you'll find an Assign Technician or similar button. Clicking this will open a window or a drop-down menu where you can search for and select the available technician. This is great for when you're in the middle of a call with a customer, creating a new job, and want to assign it immediately without losing your context. Keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, let's move into slightly more advanced territory with using the Dispatch Assistant. The Dispatch Assistant is where ServiceTitan really starts to shine in terms of intelligence and efficiency. Instead of manually sifting through technicians, the Dispatch Assistant helps you find the best technician for the job based on a set of criteria. When you select an unassigned job and activate the Dispatch Assistant, ServiceTitan will present you with a list of recommended technicians. These recommendations are based on factors like technician availability, skill set matching, meaning if the job requires a specific certification, it will prioritize techs with that cert, and even proximity to the job site. This is a game changer, especially for businesses with a large team or specialized services. It takes the guesswork out of dispatching and ensures you're always sending the most qualified and efficient technician. Beyond those core methods, ServiceTitan offers even more granular control. You can unassign technicians just as easily. If a job needs to be rescheduled or reassigned, simply go to the assigned job on the dispatch board or the job details page, and you'll find an option to unassign the technician. This frees up the technician for other tasks and puts the job back into the unassigned queue, ready for a new assignment. Another crucial aspect to consider is managing technician schedules and availability. ServiceTitan isn't just about assigning jobs. It's about managing your entire team's schedule. You can set technician working hours, block out time for breaks, meetings, or training, and even mark them as unavailable due to vacation or sickness. This real-time availability is factored into the dispatch assistant and is clearly visible on the dispatch board, preventing you from accidentally assigning a job to a technician who isn't available. This proactive scheduling helps prevent overbooking and ensures your technicians aren't stretched too thin. And let's not forget about optimization. While direct assignment is key, ServiceTitan also provides tools that help you optimize routes and minimize travel time. By intelligently assigning technicians based on their current location and the location of the next job, you can significantly reduce fuel costs, wear and tear on vehicles, and most importantly, get your technicians to more jobs in a day. This isn't a direct assignment feature, but it's a critical component of smart dispatching that ServiceTitan facilitates. Ultimately, mastering technician assignment in ServiceTitan is about more than just moving jobs around. It's about leveraging technology to make smarter decisions, empower your dispatchers, and improve every aspect of your service delivery. It's about moving from reactive problem-solving to proactive optimization. By understanding and utilizing these features, you can transform your dispatching process from a constant challenge into a significant competitive advantage. You'll reduce operational costs, increase technician efficiency, boost customer satisfaction, and ultimately, drive greater profitability for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.